Hey everybody, let me see a transcript. You're ready for the history teacher. This is my follow-up to me fixing my dryer problem. So I'm going to go into the dryer and we're going to see if my towels are dry. Okay? Let me switch it around for y'all. Is it switched around? I was trying to switch it around. It's not switching around. Okay, let's switch it. Let's see it. Oh, it looks dry. What? Oh, go to the back. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, I didn't get some more time. You know, let's come out and get some more towels. Yo, this looks so good. Yo, they're so dry. Look at them. They're so good. Yo, my tiles have come out so dry. It worked. It really, really worked. Check out my last video if you want to know what I'm talking about. I was having dryer problems for like more than a couple weeks. I had to go to the laundromat, lot of chair, a lot of clothes. It was just too much. I asked, put in a maintenance request. They did not come like they were supposed to yesterday. And so today I said, Lord, please help me to fix this because I can't go back to the laundry chair. Can't go back to the laundromat, wash chair. It's too much. It's hot out there too in Texas. And so I went in there and I cleaned out the lint, and there's like another compartment in the back of the lint trap. And my clothes. I just did towels to test one. It's so warm, it's so warm. Okay, it works. It works. Alright, this is Let Me See a transcript. Talk to y'all later. Bye. It works. It works.